Everyone wants to be rich. Who wouldn't want to be? I bet if you go out and ask 10 random strangers on the street if they want to be rich, you'll definitely get 10 yes answers. A debt-free life, a life where you can do whatever you want, buy whatever you like, travel all you like, a bank account and cash on hand of millions of dollars, a nice house, and various owned properties. Just imagining those things is enough for one to drool with envy. Wouldn't you agree? But you might also say to yourself, nah, it's great to imagine and all, but I probably wouldn't make it in this lifetime. But that's where you're wrong. It's never been about the current balance of your bank account nor the starting line of your life, but it's all about the skills and mindset. You heard that right. With the right mindset and set of skills, you too could become rich. In today's video, I'll share with you the skills that you must possess to make a fortune and become rich. Welcome to Thrivetastic. If you're new here, why not hit that subscribe button and join our community? And as always guys, give this video a thumbs up for that YouTube algorithm. 1. Making good investments. When you want to get rich, you must be able to make solid investments because this will allow you to build your money passively and continuously while you work on other ventures. However, making the essential decisions to invest wisely might be tough. Fortunately, solid investment skills can be learned. There are numerous online resources available to train you, assist you in growing your wealth, and even assist you in one day owning your own property. The best aspect is that they provide step-by-step instructions for finding good, suitable investments. 2. Decision making. In order to be rich in your lifetime, you need to be capable of making quick and wise decisions. If you hesitate and dawdle in making a crucial decision, you might just find yourself in a situation where a great opportunity has already slipped out of your hands. Aside from that, you must know enough about your investments and your industry to make the appropriate decisions every time. To improve your decision-making skills, take initiative to lead projects that will allow you to hone this skill. Consider establishing a list to help you analyze your options and connect with individuals who may be able to provide you with guidance. In addition to this skill, you should regularly perform research into the business you work in and their financial situation. 3. Motivation. Having a strong and sufficient motivation will help you progress and stay focused. After all, you will never make profits by merely waiting for opportunities to come to you. Instead, you must be proactive and consistently work towards acquiring the wealth that you seek. Without motivation, you are prone to giving up quickly and you might find your goals being abandoned. To boost your motivation, make sure you get adequate sleep, eat and drink enough, take brief breaks, create reasonable goals, and practice positive thinking. The road to wealth is paved with disappointment. If you require the approval of others in order to proceed, this path may not be for you. You're on your own, so you must be able to motivate yourself to overcome the mental impediments that make it appear as if you can't accomplish it. 4. Great communication. Having great communication skills is crucial if you want to achieve the luxurious life of the rich. Having this skill would help you convince and persuade others to work with you, invest in your company, provide you with the connections you need. Being an excellent communicator does not only mean being good at talking and public speaking, but as well as being capable of writing engaging content. This way, whatever situation you are put into, you should be able to communicate effectively and increase your chances of being successful. Be it selling something or persuading others to whatever endeavors you have. To hone these skills, consistent practice is necessary, and feedback from others would be great too. Since you're already on it, why not practice your listening skills as well? That would be a great combo to close a deal. 5. Ability to learn continuously. If you stop learning, you will be comparable to a dead river, stagnant, mindless, and stuck. And being stagnant in a world that is continuously progressing would be a huge detriment to your goal of becoming rich. If you want to keep up with the world, don't stop learning, and don't allow yourself to be stagnant, whether be it professional or personal growth. You are very lucky to be born in an era where everything is one click away. All you need to do is make an effort to learn, read, and research. 6. Willpower. Willpower is a learnable skill. Quite unbelievable, isn't it? But it's true. Experts believe that willpower is like a muscle. To a certain extent, you can build it up over time. and tends to be greater when you are working towards your goals. So here are a few ways how you can build willpower. First, don't take on too much at once. Try setting small, achievable goals and focus your willpower on accomplishing those. Second, plan ahead. Give your willpower a break by making decisions in advance. Making a decision in advance lessens the chances of procrastination and decreases the probability of draining your willpower. Third, get support from others. No man is an island. Quite a common saying, but often being underappreciated, especially in today's era. What's the best way to strengthen your willpower other than the support of those you trust? Learning to build your willpower over time is nothing but beneficial in your goal of becoming rich. After all, having strong willpower will prevent you from impulsive spending and being tempted by short-term gratification. Instead, it helps you focus on your goal and always be on the right track. 7. Confidence. You must have the confidence to be as wealthy as you have always desired. Confidence will help you earn the promotion you've always wanted. Believe in your potential to start your own business and connect with those who may be essential to your future success. To become wealthy, you must first think that you can do so. You can raise your confidence by focusing on your achievements and talents, interacting with others who encourage you, and taking care of your body and health, such as by eating a nutritious diet and exercising regularly. 8. Organization. You must remain as organized as possible to keep track of your financial condition, manage vital paperwork, and meet deadlines. To become more organized, keep your work environment tidy. Write down key information in a readily accessible place. Complete one activity at a time, and write down your daily priorities. If you're not naturally organized, many digital tools and software apps may assist you. Try out calendar and note-taking apps for your phone, for example, to get you started on the right track. 9. Discipline. Success is a marathon, not a sprint. It seeks those who can put one foot in front of the other, regardless of the hurdles in their path to the finish line. If you lack the discipline to stay true to your vision, you're unlikely to achieve your objectives. Discipline means that you will complete the most important things related to your long-term goals before becoming sidetracked by anything else. It implies you commit to narrowing the gap between your reality and your goal every day. 10. Emotional intelligence. Learning how others think and what they need or want, and then using that information to bridge the gaps, is the key to becoming wealthy. As a result, emotional intelligence is a great resource in both work and life. Being wealthy does not include reiterating information, but rather connecting the dots in the actual world and figuring out how to develop a business around what you find. 11. Maintaining focus. Technology has made it almost impossible to stay focused. It's difficult to pursue your goals when you are being distracted by other activities that feel wonderful at the time. If you go after every fleeting pleasure, you're setting yourself up for a life of mediocrity. 12. Play the long game. We tend to do things that have an immediate impact on our future. We study because we have a test next week, and we go to bed early to have a new start for the next day. But to achieve long-term success, we must work hard today for a brighter future. 10 years may seem like a long time, yet time moves far faster than we realize. So act today to achieve success later in life. 13. How to sell. Selling is all about persuasion through logic. If you want to be successful, you can't avoid it. Selling is about demonstrating that whatever you're offering is valuable enough to be exchanged for money. People will change their money for items that they believe are more valuable than the money they will have to spend. 14. Reading. People who are successful read a lot. It works for them since they can gather information on a variety of topics in a matter of days or weeks. So look for materials that relate to your goals. 15. Financial management. How will you handle large amounts of riches if you can't manage small amounts of money? One of the most outstanding qualities that rich individuals possess is the ability to budget, make sound financial judgments, and spend within their means. Your capacity to become rich is determined by your skill set and what you do with it. From leading others and making business decisions to making your point to a group of people who will determine your future. Both soft and hard skills can be the difference between stable finances and future fortune. Assume you believe you lack all the key skills discussed previously. In such a situation, there are numerous ways to improve your skill set and learn new moves, ranging from taking beneficial classes to simply putting yourself out there and practicing the skill until you are flawless. Then, with these essential skills under your belt, you'll be ready to start earning the money that will set you up for life. Many individuals in this world desire to be wealthy, but relatively few are ready to put in the necessary effort. Becoming wealthy is largely determined by your skills and attitude. While it does not happen overnight, these are skills you can focus on improving to increase your chances of becoming rich. Thank you for watching this Thrivetastic video. So if you found it valuable, consider subscribing to our channel and joining our awesome community. And if you're still hungry for more, we handpicked this awesome Thrivetastic video for you to watch next.